Today I'm having Papa John's new pan pizza and their honey chipotle wings. I don't know if they're new or not, but I've never tried them before, so let's see. Let me open them up. See what we're working with here. There we go. Oh, all right. Ooh. And I got a sausage pizza. I added extra cheese. So it's got the regular sausage, but I added spicy Italian sausage and pepperoni and banana peppers. And I got a couple of little seasonings. And of course it comes with the garlic sauce and the little pepperoncini. And with my honey chipotle wings, ooh, I got a cheese sauce, which I really like the cheese sauces. I don't want to do the shaky thing. Let me see. Yeah. Open sesame. Open sesame. Let's see that big beautiful, oh, is it a 12-inch pizza? Big beautiful 12-inch pizza. Yeah, it's not a good time to be eating pizza, but you know, sometimes you just have a craving. God, the world is crazy these days. Oh Lord, it's a nightmare out there. Whew. Yeah, I don't like to discuss things that I don't have a, you know, working knowledge of, but anyhow, let me do some quick video of the pizza so y'all can get some close-up look-sees. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Let me open my little sauces. I could have done that off camera, but figure y'all sometimes like to see me struggle a little. Hopefully I won't struggle this time, but you never know. These dang sauces. Yeah, Papa's the OG garlic sauce. You know, people try to imitate, but Papa's has the best. The best. Sorry, I'm over here just wheezing like crazy. Alright, let's get a good piece of this pan. Papa's pan. And they got the crispy edge on the crust. Yep, it's a sausage party. Very good. So far, it's very good. I don't know if it's as good as Pizza Hut pan. I think I'm more of a Pizza Hut stand for the pan. Did I try the Domino's pan? I don't remember. I think I need to go back and look. Okay. Oh, that's hot. Ow. I was getting a saucy one off the bottom. And I got them well done. It's a broken wing. Oh, that's good though. That honey chipotle is delicious. Yummy. Ooh, I like it. I hope everybody's doing good this week. I've just been laying low, taking it easy. I don't have any plans made until the weekend. Gosh, that's good. It's spicy, but it's a mild spicy. Oh, that's good. It's satisfying. I'm gonna put it that way. I keep wishing I had Pizza Hut now. It's good. It's good, I guess, for Papa John. I'm sorry, y'all. It's really good. For a Papa John pizza. I kind of wanted to get the Works pizza, but DoorDash wouldn't let me change the toppings. I like to take the mushrooms off and put the banana peppers on. So this one doesn't have as many toppings as I would like, but that's good. Let's see. I just got one of each because I probably won't use all of either one, but this is their seasoning blend, which I really like. Whoop. Sorry. Overkill there. Oh, goodness. A little extra here. Oh, excuse me. I didn't get a drink or dessert. I wanted to try their salted caramel blondie, but I was like, yeah, I didn't want to spend a whole lot on stuff I didn't really want. What I really wanted was pizza and wings, so that's what I got. I almost got an 8-piece. I wish I did now. I like the wings more than the pizza. I forgot to mention in the last video when I was doing the TV chat that Susan and I actually started the Dead Boy Detectives on Netflix. I didn't realize that was Neil Gaiman. I didn't realize it, but yep. I really enjoyed The Sandman. Really enjoyed it. Sad that it's over. But yeah, we watched the first episode and it was really good, so we're gonna watch that. Also, I was really bummed that Netflix took off Supernatural. But I found it on Amazon Prime and on Peacock. So Susan and I have been watching that more. Because we're like only in season 3 right now. And as y'all know, there's 15 seasons. Which I've watched Supernatural. I've watched the whole thing. But Susan, I think she got to like season 5 and then just got bored or something. Or she got more interested in other shows. I mean, that happens. But, she agreed to rewatch it with me, and She's gonna eventually finish it with me. But it is taking forever because we only do like a couple of episodes at a time. But yeah, Supernatural is, you know, a classic. It's like one of the best shows. In my opinion, I mean, I mean, the Supernatural fandom is feral. With good reason. Sam and Dean are awesome. I'm a Dean girly. I love me some Dean. Dean Winchester. Ooh. Which I have plenty of love for Sam, but it's always the broken boys for me. I do like the crust. I do like the crust. The outer crust. That crispy cheese. You can't go wrong with that though. Oh, no flats left. Oh. Just the drums. The drums. I like the cartilage too. Get a nice dose of collagen. I usually go for the honey barbecue, but that honey chipotle is good. Oh, I'm getting full, y'all. I need to pause real quick. The Chipotle has got me running. Be right back. Pause. Okay. Alrighty then. Mm. 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 Oh. Seriously, best garlic sauce of all the places that give you garlic sauce now. Mm. 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 So good. And I do really love their cheese sauce. Domino's has the jalapeno cheese though. That's the stuff. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'll tell you what though. The seasoning and the red pepper flakes definitely uplifted this pizza. Because it's mostly like sausage and pepperoni. Oh. Mm. 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 I'm not getting all those other flavors like onion, bell pepper. Mm. Mm. And because the crust is just so except for this crispy cheese, the crust itself is kind of mediocre. But hey. Mm. 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 So next time I order Papa John's, I'm probably gonna pass on the pan. Mm. Mm. Pass on the pan. Mm. Mm. I'm seriously wondering if I did the Domino's pan and then how I felt about it. I'm gonna have to go look it up and watch it. I'm sure I liked it, but I'm wondering how I compared that to Pizza Hut. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Looking at the time. Mm. 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 I'm thinking if I were to rate this pizza, probably be a 3.5 out of 5. Mm. Only because I've had much worse. Mm. I've had worse pizza. maybe maybe a 3. I mean, I'm like, the crust is given frozen pizza. I mean, and that's just weird. That's not normal for Papa John. I'm eating the crap out of it though. I have to stop soon though. Oh man. Ooh. Get another drink. Oh. Oh, hungry that chicken. On the coldest water bottle. There's a tiny drumette. Oh Lord. That was good. You know, pizza. Even when it's not great, it's still good. One of my exes used to say the same thing about a certain part of the female anatomy. Even when it's not great, it's still good. Okay. I mean, yeah. Sorry for that, but not sorry. Oh, man. So I've got one little drum wing left. 2 pieces of pizzas. So, oh man. Whew. Yep. A 12-inch pizza. I did pretty good though. 6 pieces. Ooh, that's a lot. Anyway, you guys, I appreciate y'all spending time with me today. Again, I hope y'all are having a good week. Hope the rest of your week goes well. And I will see you next time. Bye now. Love you guys. If I didn't say it. Always, always. Bye.